There we go. I'm recording, Rick, so don't be a butt.
What?
I'm recording, so don't be a butt.
You always record. This thing, your face gonna get stuck into it. Corn chunks? Chips and butter. How it tastes? Same?
Yeah, I'm gonna say let it stay in long. I didn't let it stay in long, guys. No chunks, just powder. Come eat some powder.
I don't want that crap, man.
Bro, what I told you about talking to me like that?
What?
I like a man you?
I don't want that crap, woman.
Get your whole head bashed in. Look at that.
Huh?
Look at that. About to catch a case, y'all. I'm about to catch a case with this brother.
Catch a case on your own.
I don't know, I'm out of the phone zoom in and out of that.
It's focusing on.
I don't like when you do that. I need to straighten up. Straighten up. Why do that?
Autofocus.
Good boy, good boy. I tried to do the soap method. It was a fail. I must have let it stay in long enough. Because somebody been messing with me.
I thought you were gonna be shooting up bubbles.
That cornstarch make your jaws tired. Why you moving on my stuff, dog?
I'm trying to straighten up a little bit.
I mean, you gotta move my stuff.
It falls on the floor. What, do you want me to leave it on the floor?
It was in the chair.
I had it. You had it in the chair, so I moved the chair and fell on the floor.
That's your business. Stop
I'm
touching my
just saying.
stuff. I'm about to catch a case, y'all. I'm about to catch a case. Cause this brother over here is working my last nerve.
You ain't got nerves.
You don't got balls. I'm really about to catch a case. Come look at this bill.
I don't want to look at it. I'm joking.
You better be just joking.
Let me look at it. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, but we've been using it.
Don't worry. You get out of that debt. Woo! We could have a lot
Nothing.
of coffee.
I'm thirsty. Why you turn off my lights, bro?
I'm sorry.
What? I'm about to catch a case, y'all. Y'all will see me on first 48.
38. On the 38, that's what you're going to be on. People, she a good wife, but sometimes she go crazy because of me.
Thank you. Yeah, you said it right, because of you. Whew. I get cornstarch on my phone. Doom, 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 doom. In 2 more months, it will be. It's our anniversary.
Shoot me.
Anniversary.
Shoot me.
Boom, boom.
Oh.
Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary. Boom, boom. Seem like 50 years. Boom, boom. I can't eat no more. My stomach hurt. No, it ain't because of cornstarch. Remember, we just ate. I was already full. Stomach about to bust.
Time to see the back of your eyelids.
Time to see the back of your... Anyway, guys, let me get off because this brother man is working my last nerve. Want to come show your ugly face?
Nah, I ain't showing my face.
You already showed your face.
I'm not showing my face.
You already showed your face. Think I ain't see you jumping in the nigga camera. Aww. Trying to be all sweet. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I am out of here. We've been going all day. I'm so tired. Then I still got errands to run tomorrow. So I'm going to go and enjoy myself. Lay down. See what my husband need help with around the house. So I love y'all guys. I'm out. Peace.